Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have Outlook open and signed in. Now go straight to Calendar View using the bottom Nav or Control+2. Once in Calendar, click the View ribbon at the top to reveal display options. You need to make visible controls available, so expand the current view group and choose Change View if necessary. Make sure Reading pane or other panes aren't hiding key controls. Once the View ribbon is ready, you'll use it to force calendar week numbers on screen. Now click View, then View Settings, and choose Other Settings. This is where the week number option lives. Once there, check Enable Week Numbers in the month view so Outlook will display ISO style or simple week numbers depending on your locale. If you prefer weeks to start on Monday or Sunday, adjust the first day setting under Calendar Options. Make sure to apply changes. When done, hit OK and return to Calendar View. You should see numbers in month layout. Finally, switch to month view to confirm week numbers are visible. This is the view that shows them. If you don't see numbers immediately, close and restart Outlook to force a refresh. Once done, verify File Right Arrow Options, Right Arrow Calendar to ensure regional settings aren't overriding week numbering. If problems persist, make sure cached profiles aren't blocking view updates and test in Outlook Web Access. That will tell you if it's client only. One quick tip: toggling the month view off and back on often resolves display glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.